Dear friends, today in this video I want to discuss about simple finance module. In my previous videos we have discussed about the central finance module, why to learn central finance module and what are the prerequisites for learning this central finance module and what are the advantages, what are the roles and responsibilities and what are the expectations from the client's point of view in terms of S/4HANA Central Finance Module. Now in this video, I want to explain you very clearly about why to learn this SAP S/4HANA Simple Finance Module. What is the need for learning this Simple Finance Module and how to implement this Simple Finance Module in the real-time project scenarios. And these are all the very important informations I want to share you regarding this simple finance module. Let us discuss each and everything very clearly one by one. Okay, now what is simple finance module basically? The first point here is regarding simple finance. SAP S/4HANA finance module is a one and only solution for all the SAP finance modules like SAP Finance, SAP Controlling, SAP Business Process Planning and Consolidation, that is BPC, SAP Financial Supply Chain Management Module, that is FSCM, of organizations from medium to large infrastructure industries. That is the first and foremost point, the reason for learning this simple finance module. What is the meaning of that? That means S/4HANA finance module is a one and only solution for all the SAP finance modules. That means what? Simple finance module is the only one solution for all the financial modules. Say for example, we have different financial modules, namely SAP Finance, SAP Controlling module, followed by SAP Business Process Planning and Consolidation module, that is our BPC module, and SAP FSCM module, that is Financial Supply Chain Management module of organizations from medium to large infrastructure industries. That means simple finance module is nothing but the combination of SAP Finance plus SAP Controlling module plus SAP BPC module, that is SAP Business Process Planning and Consolidation module, that is BPC, and also SAP Financial Supply Chain Management module, that is FSCM module. Okay, that can be implemented. This module has to be implemented from different industries, different types of industries. That means starting from medium to large infrastructure industries. That means medium to very large industries. The second important point is SAP S/4HANA Finance module is also known as SAP S/4HANA Enterprise Management module. Remember that Simple Finance module is also called as Enterprise Management module, which includes, once again we have discussed about this, which includes all the SAP financial modules like SAP Finance, SAP Controlling, SAP Business Process Planning and Consolidation, that is SAP BPC, and also SAP Financial Supply Chain Management application, that is our FSCM application. Simply you have to understand two important points regarding this simple finance module. First one is simple finance module is the one and only financial solutions for all the business applications in finance, namely starting from SAP Finance module, followed by SAP CO controlling module, and then BPC module, that is business process planning and consolidation module, and also we have FSCM module, that is financial supply chain management module. That is also one of the very fantastic module for organizing the entire financial supply chain. Okay, that is the first point. And the second point you have to remember is that this simple finance model is also known as S4 Hana Enterprise Management Module. Enterprise Management Module means it includes all the different financial applications, namely SAP FI module, followed by SAP Controlling Module, followed by SAP FSCM module, that is Financial Supply Chain Management Module, and the other important one is SAP Business Process Planning and Consolidation, which is also for used for consolidating the entire data from both FI and CO module. So this enterprise management module, that is simple finance module, is used in the industries for generating the entire financial data from different financial applications, as we have already discussed about different financial applications starting from finance, FI, and then from controlling module, and also from BPC as well as from FSCM module. So this FSCM module is also plays a vital role in the industries for maintaining the financial supply chain management, which is originating from medium to large infrastructure industries. Okay, that is the purpose of using this simple finance module. Now the next slide. What is the third point is SAP S4 HANA Finance module are now available as a part of S4 HANA, both as a product and enterprise management as a complete business suite. That means this entire finance module, S4 HANA Finance module, is available both as a product as well as enterprise management as a complete business suite. That means the client will be implementing this entire finance module under the S4 HANA, both as a product as well as enterprise management tool. Okay, that means this simple finance module is nothing but the enterprise management application, which is highly useful for integrating different FI applications starting from SAP Finance, and then followed by SAP Controlling Module, followed by SAP Business Process Planning and Consolidation Module, that is BPC module, and then we have FSCM module. So that is Financial Supply Chain Management module. So that means simply you have to understand about the simple finance module. Okay, the simple finance module is nothing but the enterprise management module, which combines all the different financial applications, namely finance module, followed by controlling module, which is the combination of both BPC, that is business process planning and consolidation, as well as financial supply chain management module. So simple finance is the enterprise management module, which consists of 4 different financial processes, namely SAP FI module along with SAP CO module, and then it has different combinations once again like SAP BPC and then SAP FSCM as well. So this entire BPC module has been used for consolidation, and then this entire FSCM module, that is financial supply chain management module, has been used for entire maintenance of the supply chain activities from medium to large infrastructure industries. Okay, simply you have to understand like that simple finance module is nothing but the enterprise management tool, enterprise management module, which is the combination of 4 different modules, namely FI controlling, that is CO controlling, and then BPC business process planning and consolidation, and then FSCM, that is financial supply chain management module. So these 4 entire complete modules will be comprising the simple finance module, which will be highly useful for different industries for handling the entire financial activities for the businesses. The next important advantage for why to learn this simple finance module is this SAP S4 HANA finance module uses the data processing capability of S4 HANA to provide much simpler, more faster and more efficient methodologies and different approaches to the entire financial supply chain management requirements, which includes this problem solving based on the client's requirements. That means what? The entire S4 HANA system, why we are using this S4 HANA system? That is only for faster performance and then to provide much simpler methodologies, and also it has more efficient methodologies and different approaches to handle the entire financial supply chain management requirements, which includes also the problem solving capability based on the client's requirements. So these are all the major advantages of learning this simple finance module as a whole. Once again, I will explain you the point number 4. This SAP S4 HANA finance module uses the data processing capability. That means what? It is using the capability of the different data. It is analyzing the data. That is what is called as the processing of data, right, of S4 HANA to provide much simpler, more faster and more efficient methodologies and different approaches to the entire financial supply chain management requirements, which includes problem solving based on the client's requirements. That means we have already discussed about this simple finance combinations, where this simple finance system will get the data. This simple finance model will get the data from 4 different applications, namely SAP Finance, SAP Controlling, SAP BPC, that is Business Process Planning and Consolidation, and then from SAP FSCM module, that is Financial Supply Chain Management module. After getting all the required inputs from the different 4 applications, namely SAP FI, SAP CO, SAP BPC, and then SAP FSCM module, then what it will do? This simple finance system, this simple finance module then uses the data which it has got from different applications, and then in order to provide much simpler and more faster reports, and this simple finance model will have very efficient methodologies and it will adapt different approaches to the entire financial supply chain management requirements, which includes also the problem solving based on the client's requirements. That is the main advantage of learning and why we have to learn this simple finance module, and what is the advantages of implementing this simple finance module for the clients. In this video, we have discussed very clearly about why to learn this simple finance module and what is simple finance module stands for and how it has been utilized in the projects and what is the purpose of using this simple finance module as a whole. So I think you people will be very clear about this simple finance module. Simple finance module is nothing but an enterprise management module which comprises of 4 different modules. Once again, it consists of SAP FI module, it consists of SAP CO module, it consists of SAP BPC module, and it consists of SAP FSCM module. So these 4 different combinations are coming under one product, that is the business suite. That is a complete business suite named under SAP S4 HANA Finance. Right now about myself, I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Raja. I am having more than 20 plus years of experience in the SAP industry. I have involved in many implementation, production support, upgrades and rollout projects for overseas clients. And about myself, I have got more than 5 years of experience in Middle East and Europe, handling the Middle East and European clients. Regarding my certification areas, I have done my certification in Simple Finance. I have done my certification in Central Finance. I have done my certification in BPC, that is Business Process Planning and Consolidation module. I have done my certification in entire Simple Logistics module. Say for example, I have done my certification in S4HANA Procurement and S4HANA Sales, S4HANA Production Planning as well. And recently I have completed my certification in Business and Revenue Innovation Management, that is BRIM module, that was previously SAP Hybris application. So that's all about myself. I think you people will be very clear in this video by understanding the S4 HANA Simple Finance, what is Simple Finance, what is Enterprise Management module, and S4HANA combinations, what are all the different modules are coming under Simple Finance. So all the details I have given very clearly in this video. If you have any doubts, you can call me directly. I will explain you more and more about this. Thank you.